Stop worrying about wasted summer days. Give your child a summer that inspires, excites, and educates. Leaders Park Mind Ability Development Center is where learning meets laughter. Imagine a summer where your child doesn't just pass the time, but grows, mentally, creatively, and socially. At Leaders Park's Summer Camp 2025, your child will dive into a world of discovery. From June 30th to August 22nd, every weekday morning. Our program is more than just fun, it's a journey. Kids will master mental math with Abacus, build robots, brush up on phonics and handwriting, and outsmart friends at chess. Not to mention music and dance classes that let them shine, plus Fireless Cooking, treasure hunts, and interactive games that turn every day into a new adventure. And the best part? Weekly field trips so your child explores, connects with nature, and learns outside the classroom. Spots are limited, and our early bird discount is flying by fast. Don't let your child miss out on a summer filled with growth and friendships and memories that last a lifetime. Choose Leaders Park, where we turn curiosity into confidence and play into purpose. Hit the link and secure your child's spot today.